Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to delete all messages on Discord. So let's start. First, go to your browser and search me6.xyz. What you are going to do is use this bot to delete the messages that you wanted using simple commands. In this page, click Add to Discord. If you are not logged in your Discord browser, it will ask you to sign in into your Discord account. Once logged in, press Authorize. Here, click Setup. In this prompt, make sure that you've selected the correct server where you wanted to delete messages. After selecting, click Continue. Here, make sure that all of the permissions are enabled for this bot to work perfectly fine. Once done checking, click Authorize. Next, verify that you are a human. After all of that, you will be directed to the Mi6 dashboard. In this page, find Moderator plugin and enable it by clicking this button. In this prompt, click Yes to enable. Now, let's go back to our Discord server. You can see that the bot is already in our server. So, to delete messages, just go to the channel where you want to clean up messages. In this case, I want to go to this channel. And here, just type the command /clean. Then, you will see the options amount and member. Choose whether you want to delete the messages of a specific member or the number of messages to delete. For example, I want to delete all of the messages of this specific member. So in this option, I will click Member. And here, type the username of that member. Then hit Enter. As you can see, all of the messages of that member has been deleted. So that's it for our video. If you wanted to know how to delete all messages on Discord, that is the easiest way I know how. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, kindly give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much and see you on our next video.